Hello everyone, just look at this. This is from Pinterest. No, I didn't sell anything myself, but people are quietly making money from Pinterest that most people only use Pinterest for saving aesthetic photos. We are not just talking today, we are setting this up live. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up everything on Pinterest and post the first money making pin step by step. So let's get into it. But before we jump into Pinterest, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. So imagine your friend comes to you and says, "This new phone is amazing, you should buy it," and he sends you a link. Now what if your friend gets paid every time someone bought that phone through that link? That is it. This is called an affiliate marketing. In this, you post a product link, someone clicks and buy that product and you earn some commission from it. You just recommend, someone buys it and you earn. And Pinterest, it's literally the perfect place to do this. Pinterest has over 600 million users every month and 75% of people on the platform are actively looking to buy something. Now let's set up the Pinterest business account. First open Google and search Pinterest business account. Click on the first link. Click on create a new business account and then create a business account. Now enter your email, password and your date of birth and click on create account. Now describe your business. I am choosing the online merchant or marketplace option. Don't worry, you can skip using a website. Then it will ask your goals. So I want to increase online sales, grow brand awareness and generate more leads. You can choose whatever you want. Next, select the focus of your brand. I will advise you to go with home, fashion or beauty. These are the top performing categories on Pinterest right now. Home decor, especially people buy a lot of home stuffs through Pinterest. Now click on showcase your brand and just fill in your profile. Add a good photo, write a simple bio and add your contact details. And that is it. Your Pinterest business account is live now. It's quite easy, right? Now the slightly more important part is your Amazon affiliate account. This is the part where the money actually comes from. So pay attention on it. We are going to sign up for Amazon's official affiliate program. It's free and it's the easiest way to start for beginners. Search for the Amazon affiliate program. You will see the Amazon.in Associate Central link. Click on that. Click on sign up. Now it will ask you to log in with your existing Amazon account, the same one you shop from. Use that account. Then it will ask for your details. Fill in your name, address and phone number all correctly. Now it asks for your website or app URL. Now you might be thinking, I don't have a website. Don't panic, just add your Pinterest profile URL here. Then it will ask your associate store ID. This is basically your username for the program. Keep it simple. Then describe what your account is about. Just write something like, I share home decor and lifestyle product recommendations on Pinterest. Fill other details as well. Agree to the terms and click on finish. And you will get your unique associate ID. Here, please enter payment and tax information. Right now, I am choosing later. And you have now joined the affiliate program. This dashboard shows your earnings and other stats to keep track of all things. Now let me show you how to actually get an affiliate link from Amazon. Go to Amazon Shopping. You will notice a new toolbar at the very top of the page. It's called SiteStripe. That's your best friend. Now search for a product. Let's say a flower vase or anything that looks good visually. When you find the one you like, click on it. Now look at the SiteStripe at the top. You will see get link. Click on that and just like that your affiliate link is ready. Just copy that link. You can also see commissions rate on the product. One more thing I love about Amazon, even if the person doesn't buy the exact product you share or if they buy anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking your link, you still get the commission. That's huge, right? That's why Amazon affiliate is so powerful. Now let's talk about posting your first pin with affiliate link. This is the fun part. This is where everything comes together. First, save the image of the product from Amazon. After that, go to your Pinterest business account. Click on create and then click pin. Upload your image and your Amazon affiliate link. For the title and description, just copy the product name and its description from Amazon. Finally, click on publish. And your first affiliate pin is live. When you go back to your Pinterest business profile, you will be able to see your pin now. Okay, so before I go, 3 things you should know that will actually get you results. First, Post 5-10 pins daily. Consistency is everything. Second, pick one niche. Don't post random stuffs. Third one is 80% helpful content plus 20% affiliate pins. Pinterest is not an overnight money machine. Anyone who tells you that is lying to you. Results usually come in 30 to 90 days, but a good pin can earn for years. So are you going to try this? Tell me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who's been wanting to earn online. This might be exactly what they need. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.